Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opening from IBM. It's not a single opening, actually, two opening from IBM to discuss in this video. So, let's see that in detail. It's applicable for the freshers and wide range of graduates too. Okay, so let's go into that in detailed format. Before that, if you're very new to the channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So while you activate the bell icon, put this as all so that you will get all the notifications regarding all the videos that we do put forward. Okay, so these kind of hiring videos by different companies, like they will be withdrawing the link at the earliest. So before that, it's very important you get notified regarding that. You try applying to that. Okay, so to just do that and just have a look at the contents that we present so that you will get a brief idea like what we do present before you and how can we help you for your placement needs. Okay, so let's start with the associate system engineer in IBM. So here this opening is a full-time opening, you can see here, and the city is Bangalore. The region location is available is Bangalore. It's for the bachelor's degree, and masters also can try applying. And to the there is a particular batch criteria, so I'll discuss that in detail. So this is it, and it's a regular and entry level job. So you can see here who are you and everything, and what the program is about, and how the company, then who we are, everything. So it is very important to go through those things, okay? Because before you apply to any of the job, it is very important you know about the company, okay? And you can see that why you should join, that also you need to go through. And now quickly let's move on to the eligibility criteria, that is technical and required expertise, that is environment, professional knowledge related to your KRAs that requires you to demonstrate the ability to absorb professional knowledge quickly and develop skills related to technical, functional, software, and soft skills. Okay, now the communication or negotiation, problem solving skills. Okay, so these are the things. So just go through that, and if you think that those qualities is very much valuable in you, then you can apply it. Okay, next set of expertise will be contribution or leadership, then impact on business or scope. Okay, next the degree will be BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, and ME is the batch criteria, and specifically they have mentioned like so much of the majors available. So if you belong to this major with this degree criteria, then this job is applicable for you. Okay, so here you can see computer science and engineering, IT, IS, SC, like ENC, then EEE, applied electronics and instrumentation, then electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation, electronics telecommunication, electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation, control, instrumentation. So basically these are the branches. So in general, it is computer science and related branches and a circuitry branches. Okay, so if you belong to any of this graduation criteria, then this is applicable for you. And the opening is available 2020, 21, and 22 students. You can try applying to those position available. Okay, so that's it. And to continue with the application process, you need to click on this apply now button and proceed with the application. So before moving on to that, we have a course regarding TCS CodeVita and TCS NQT 21 days live crash course. Okay, this is 21 days long, and TCS CodeVita is about to happen. So this will help you a lot. And we have our presenter Upasana here for you to guide you all. And she is a software developer engineer at Flipkart. So have all the coding knowledge that she'll be having will be able to help you a lot. Okay, and whole of this course is available at just rupees 200 rupees for you. It was for 500, but they have been decreased on demand. So what you will be getting on this is like clearly mentioned here, that is classes of Upasana ma'am, ST at Flipkart. Then recordings of the class will be available and automatically shared. Then useful for TCS NQT, CodeVita, and TCS Digital as well. Then live doubt clearing sessions will be there. You can attend the class both on phone as well as on laptop. Validity of course is 6 months. So 6 long months, you will be getting the access to the recordings and every materials. Then how to join that? You can click on the link that I've mentioned in the description. So you'll navigate to your application. You can get the course done there. Okay. And the class is going to start by 18th of this month, November, and it will be ending by 8th of December. So you can use this web class application through your Chrome. If you want to log in through your Chrome, then without going for the application, you can just use this web.classplus.app.com. And after that, you can type this then go to the sections and verify your OPT and everything, and go to the course section and get your course done. Okay, that's it. And if you just want to know like what are things will be there in the course content, you can just navigate through here and know like all the content, and after that you can just go for it. Okay, so that's it. That's about the course, and this is prepared from the freshly available syllabus, so this will help you a lot. And previously to previous thesis exams, the materials, the students who bought the materials have confirmed that most of the questions were similar, and we could now relate to the questions which we learned to which we faced a lot. So just make sure that you have the immense guidance if you wish to get the guidance. Okay, so that's it. Just apply it at the earliest before the registration ends. Okay, so let's continue with the application process for the IBM jobs. And here you can see the no thanks and continue to apply. Okay, so in here in down you can see there will be apply to jobs. So here you need to fill your personal information. You have to log in first. After that, you can fill your personal information. You can upload your resume, your skill set, everything you can update. And after that, apply that application. Okay, this is how you have to apply. And once you apply to that, you need to have a watch on your email and just have a look at that. You will get the updations through mail. Okay, so that's about the IBM jobs available. And coming to the CTC details provided for this opening, 4.5 plus LP is the average CTC provided, and like when compared to the previous year's estimation, so it can vary slightly. It like variations will be like incrementation only, obviously. It do varies accordingly. Okay, so that's it, and that's all the details about the opening as associate system engineer in available in IBM. Okay, next let's discuss another opening which is at IBM itself, and this opening is an internship position, internship opportunity as a security analyst. Okay, security analyst. So you can see that this is something related to networking, security, and everything. So the required education criteria is bachelor's degree, and it's a full-time internship job. And you can see here, these are the things that you'll be handling. You'll be monitoring security events, and you need to just ensure the alerts, and you need to check all the things, configuration, tools and devices, everything. So please do go through each and everything and know about all the aspects that you will be performing there, so that you will have a perfect idea. If somebody like interview or something is up, then you'll have a perfect idea. Okay, so that's it. And the required technical and professional expertise, you can see you shall be required to display analytical ability, keen observation. Then preferred technical and professional expertise will be network security, conceptual knowledge, basic security concepts, some scripting or programming ability, understanding of computer operating systems. Okay, so very basic, indeed very basic. That is, they wanted to know to handle the operating systems and how the network, conceptual knowledge on networks, then basic security concepts, scripting, programming ability, that's all. And if you have that, and if you have an interest towards this particular domain, then this is for you. Okay, so you shall be required to display analytical and analytical keen observation. Okay, that's it. And it's an internship, so obviously you'll be getting stipend for this, but I would urge you not to concentrate upon the stipend available, because after all, we are going for internship to get knowledge, okay, to explore. So just select the domain which is applicable for you, which is interested, and try applying to that. Okay, so that's about the internship. And you can see here also same application process. So every application form will be similar in IBM only, so there is nothing much complicated. And one more thing that I would like to mention or bring into attention is the state or province available, multiple. So when you just go through here also, you can see that this opening is available for multiple, you can say here, multiple cities. Okay, it means that there's a bulk hiring happening. Okay, so this will help you to get into in the industry. Okay, so that's it. And to continue with the application process, click on the apply to jobs and continue with this. Obviously, you can try LinkedIn profiles and everything. So I would urge you to go for LinkedIn profile if you have a well updated LinkedIn profile, or else you can just log in. If you don't have an account, you can try don't have an account and start with the application process. Okay, so this is the whole of the application process. So once again, I would like to remind you that if you are trying for internship opportunity, just select the domain which you like, because internship opportunity is a very good opportunity for you to explore things. It's actually the company is teaching us something. Okay, so like we learned something from the college, like we learned a graduation from college, company is teaching us something. So it's very important to choose your interested field. So make sure you apply to the same, and don't ever concentrate on CTC provided for internship. Okay, stipend provided for internship. Internship means the exposure that you're getting, and the money, I mean the earnings that you get from that should be secondary. Okay, because then that only will be helping you if you got a domain that you like and you would like to work in, and this internship experience will help you to get into a much more better job which gives a huge CTC, or yeah, huge compensation. Okay, so that's it, that's how you have to perform. So everybody stay safe and stay happy at this time. And if you wish, like you need more of the content or anything else, then you can put that in comment section. And if you have any further doubts regarding anything that I've mentioned in this video, apart from that as discussed, then please do mention that in comment section as well. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.